Okay, so hi there, folks. We're going to continue with our course and playlists and the introduction to Vedic mathematics. We're now on Vedic Maths 2. We're done with Vedic Maths 1, which is composed of two subtopics. We have the subtraction by the Nikalam Sutra, all from 9 and the last from 10. The Vedic Maths 1 second subtopic is about special case multiplication. Now, this brings us to our Vedic Maths 2, and we will talk about the general case multiplication, which we use the sutra vertically and crosswise, or we will call this subsection to be vertically and crosswise multiplication. What we will learn here are these. Let me read. When the all from 9 and the last from 10 multiplication process, which we use in the special case multiplication, is not feasible to be used. We use the sutra vertically and crosswise. This is the general case, everyone. So here we will learn to multiply 2 by 2 digits, 3 by 3 digits, etc. in a one-line method. We will also use vinculum numbers. Some call this as the bar digits or the bar numbers in place of large digits. And we will also apply the understanding to find algebraic products here. So let's get into it. We'll start with 3.1, which is entitled Multiplication of Two-Digit Numbers. So we're going to talk about first the pattern and how we apply the vertically and crosswise here. So for instance, if we're going to multiply 12 times 34, this is how we do it in a one-line fashion. Okay, 12, we write them first vertically. So we have 12 times 34. We're going to do it from left to right. So this will look like 1 times 3 is 3. That's going to be the hundredths place. And then we do this crosswise. Crosswise. So we do 1 times 4 plus 2 times 3. Again, 1 times 4 plus 2 times 3. So 1 times 4 is 4 plus 2 times 3. 2 times 3 is 6. So 4 plus 6 is going to give us 10 for the hundredths place alone. So if that's the case, for the tenths place alone. So if that's the case, the tenths place is a two digit. We're going to carry this over to the hundredths place, the one here, and then 0. We're going to write that down for the tenths place. So for the ones digit, we're going to use the vertical again. 2 times 4 is 8. So we have 3, 10, 8. We're going to carry over the 1 to the hundredths place. So what we have is 4 instead of 3, 408. Okay, so that's how we do it. Though it's going to be a little bit challenging at first, but give it a little try and practice. It will, or it is, much more feasible than the normal multiplication method. So let's have one more example then. So let's write 42 times 13. So what is 42 times 13? We're going to write it first. Imagine 42 times 13, 4213. I cannot write it down. I'm going to show another video about this, making use of a sketch pad. So 4 times 1, let's do this first mentally. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 2 times 1 is 14. We're going to carry the 1 to the other side. So we have 5, 4, and then 2 times 3 is 6. So what we have is 5, 4, 6. I'm going to show another video which uses a sketch pad so that it will be clearer for everyone. So that will be for the next one. Um, this will be your practice. Okay, so this is your practice. I will hold it right here. Okay, so that in the next video we're going to answer that. Okay, but if you want, you may want to pause the video now and then I'm going to show you the answers. Okay, but we're going to show the solutions in the next one. Okay, so the answer for number 121 times 23, that's going to be 483. Number 2 is 1003. Number 3 is 735. Number 4 is 1216. Number 5 is 6825. So if you got it right now, you can skip the next video since you already got it. But in the next video, I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, in a sketchpad. So thanks for watching. Hope you would like and subscribe, and please do hit the bell button so that you'll be updated for the next videos. Okay, so thank you very much.